Let me start my attack speech. In terms of the DA1, I have 3 attacks. First one, after plan, student academic ability will rather improve. As we said in AD1, we subpoint second. Students who experience gap time are highly motivated, and this motivation will surely enrich the study at university. And second point, students can study from everywhere. It's not just limited in classroom, they can learn from other things. And third point, if you want to study during the gap time, you can go to cram school, and cram school will have service for you. And in terms of the DA2, I have 4 attacks. In Japan, even in Japan, you can learn and have good experience. You are not necessarily go to abroad to have good experience. And second point, you can earn money during the gap time by the part-time job. This is very good because you can have experience. At the same time, you can earn the money. And third point, now nobody has opportunity to do volunteer work or go abroad. However, after plan, at least the opportunity will be huge for many people. Many people will get opportunity than now. And last point, government will support for the student. Actually, Keidan Rei Inicho Ishihara Kunio decided to establish the scholarship for the student who wants to go abroad. So students don't have to worry about the money. So I made 3 points for their DA1, and I made 4 points for their DA2. Thank you.
Thank you. We will now have questions from the negative side for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Chairperson. My name is Akegoto. Okay. At first, please repeat second attack point about DA1.
The second point was students can learn from everywhere. It's not limited in classroom. They can learn from volunteer work. They can learn from doing part-time job. They can learn from going abroad. It's not just limited in classroom.
Okay, thank you. Next, you said in third attack point during the gap time, many students can join the cram school, but first students can join the cram school. What do you think about it?
Can you repeat your question?
Poor students can't join the cram school.
But if the students are poor, they can do volunteer works. And if you want to join, they can join. It's not necessary. If you want to study during the gap time, you can go cram school, but you can also learn from other places like volunteer works. So.
Okay. Okay. Next, you said in third attack point about disadvantage. You said you said part-time job is part-time job has a very little experience. Why can you say so?
Because firstly they can earn the money for going abroad or for the university, and they can have experience. So it might be useful when you're looking for a job because you already experienced some of the job. It's going to be good appeal point for the job.
Okay. Thank you.
Question time has ended. We will now have a 2 minutes